We are organizing Bhagavadgita workshop for age group of 4 to 25 years. This is a 30-day workshop where the students are taught with shlokas from Bhagavadgita, Mahabharata, Ramayana, social and ethical perspectives. After the workshop, there will be a knowledge test from the syllabus that is taught in the workshop, for which certificates are awarded based on their performances. Selected students will be given direct admission to the free Bhagavad Gita classes. The registrations for the workshop will be accepted till 30th May and classes will be started from 1st of June. All other details will be communicated with the registered candidates. Let your child dive deep and experience the knowledge of Gita, which helps your child build his future. Best wishes, Team Geetajhari.